Snails eating bananas. Banana, the hidden nutritional power and health benefits. When we think of snails, we often picture them sliding slowly across the ground, feeding on leaves, fruits, or vegetables. But did you know that snails love bananas? Yes, those soft, sweet yellow fruits are a delicious treat for many snail species. Beyond just being a snack, bananas can provide vital nutrients that help snails grow, reproduce, and maintain their shell health. Let's dive into the fascinating world of snails eating bananas, and explore how it connects to vitamins, minerals, and even treatment uses in snail care. Snail. Why do snails eat bananas? Snails are naturally herbivorous creatures, meaning they feed on plant-based materials such as fruits, vegetables, algae, and decaying leaves. Bananas are particularly appealing because, 1. Soft texture. Snails don't have teeth like mammals. Instead, they use a tongue-like organ called a radula, covered in tiny tooth-like structures, to scrape food. The soft and mushy texture of ripe bananas makes it easy for snails to eat. 2. Sweet scent and taste. The natural sugars in bananas attract snails. Their sense of smell helps them locate sweet, ripe fruit even from a distance. 3. Moisture content. Bananas contain a high percentage of water, which helps hydrate snails, especially in dry environments. So when you see snails crowding around a banana slice, they're not just enjoying a snack, they're fueling their little bodies with powerful nutrients. Banana nutritional value of bananas for snails. Bananas are rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars that play a vital role in snail health. Here's a closer look at the nutritional breakdown. 1. Vitamin A. Importance. Helps in cell growth and maintaining the snail's soft tissue. Effect on snails. Promotes eye development and enhances the function of their sensory organs. 2. Vitamin B complex. B1, B2, B3, B6, B12. Importance. Supports metabolism and energy production. Effect on snails. Encourages faster growth and active movement. Vitamin B also contributes to proper shell formation and slime production. 3. Vitamin C. Importance. Acts as an antioxidant and boosts the immune system. Effect on snails. Keeps them resistant to bacterial infections and helps repair damaged tissue after minor injuries or shell cracks. 4. Vitamin E. Importance. A powerful antioxidant that maintains cell health. Effect on snails. Improves reproductive health and boosts egg quality in breeding snails. 5. Potassium. Importance. Bananas are famous for their high potassium levels. Effect on snails. Regulates muscular activity and helps in proper nerve function. For snails, it ensures smooth movement and proper moisture balance in the body. 6. Magnesium and manganese. Importance. Strengthen body tissues and improve enzyme function. Effect on snails. Keeps the snail's foot strong for crawling and enhances digestion. 7. Calcium. Although bananas have small amounts, importance. Essential for shell building. Effect on snails. While bananas alone don't provide enough calcium, combining them with calcium sources, like cuttlebone or crushed eggshells, helps maintain shell hardness and strength. How to feed bananas to snails safely. While bananas are nutritious, they should be given in moderation. Too much sugar can lead to digestive issues in snails. Here are some safe feeding tips. 1. Use ripe bananas, soft and sweet, easy to chew. 2. Cut into small slices, to avoid waste and make it easier for snails to access. 3. Feed occasionally, once or twice per week is enough. 4. Clean leftovers. Remove uneaten banana pieces after 12 to 24 hours to prevent mold and bacteria growth. 5. Combine with greens. Balance their diet with calcium-rich foods like lettuce, cucumber, spinach, or kale. The healing and treatment benefits of bananas for snails. Aside from nutrition, bananas can also help in snail care and treatment. Many snail farmers and hobbyists use bananas to treat or prevent common snail health problems. Lotion Bottle 1. Stress recovery food. When a snail experiences environmental stress, like relocation or temperature change, feeding soft fruits like bananas helps them recover faster because bananas are easy to digest and high in energy. Adhesive bandage 2. Wound and shell healing support. Thanks to vitamin C and vitamin E, bananas support cell regeneration, helping snails heal minor shell cracks or skin irritations faster. Droplet 3. Hydration treatment. In dry seasons or low humidity environments, snails often lose moisture. Placing banana slices in the enclosure adds both food and hydration, helping prevent dehydration. DNA 4. Immune booster. Regular feeding of banana pieces can improve the snail's immune system due to its antioxidant vitamins, reducing the risk of bacterial or fungal infections. Egg 5. Reproductive enhancement. For breeding snails, bananas act as a natural fertility booster. Vitamin E and B6 improve egg production and help maintain healthy offspring. Warning: precautions and things to avoid. Even though bananas are beneficial, overfeeding can cause more harm than good. Keep these points in mind. 1. Avoid overripe or fermented bananas. They can produce alcohol during fermentation, which is harmful to snails. 2. Do not feed banana peels unless they're organic. Peels often contain pesticides that can poison snails. 3. Clean habitat regularly. Banana leftovers can attract fruit flies and bacteria if not removed promptly. 4. Balance with calcium. Always ensure your snail's diet includes calcium-rich food or supplements. Orange heart human uses. Snail and banana in natural treatment. Interestingly, both snails and bananas are known for their healing properties in human and traditional medicine too. Snail slime, mucin, is rich in proteins, glycolic acid, and elastin, used in skincare for healing scars, moisturizing, and anti-aging. Bananas are used in natural remedies for stomach ulcers, stress relief, and boosting serotonin levels for mood improvement. Together, they represent the beauty of natural nutrition and healing synergy. One from the fruit, the other from nature's gentle creature. Crescent moon final thoughts. The image of a snail slowly munching on a banana slice might seem small and simple, but it's a wonder of nature. A perfect example of how creatures survive and thrive through natural balance. For snail keepers, offering bananas as part of their diet is not just an act of feeding, it's an act of care, nourishment, and healing. In the end, a banana is more than food for a snail. It's a vitamin-rich treatment that strengthens its tiny body and supports its slow yet steady life journey. Snail banana snails and bananas, deep dive into nutrition, healing, and ecological harmony. Nature has an extraordinary way of balancing every creature's need for survival. In the small, silent world of snails, every leaf, drop of water, or fruit holds deep meaning. Among all the foods they consume, bananas stand out as one of the most favored and beneficial natural foods for snails, not just for pleasure but for vital nourishment. Let's go even deeper into how bananas influence a snail's biology, health, reproduction, and even their natural environment. DNA 1. The biological connection between snails and fruits. Snails are part of the class Gastropoda, meaning stomach-footed, a fitting name since their body's main muscle, the foot, helps them move and digest simultaneously. Their diet largely determines their growth rate, shell development, and lifespan. Fruits like bananas naturally fit into their biological rhythm. The softness reduces the need for strong radicular grinding. The high sugar content fuels slow metabolism over long periods. The water within bananas prevents desiccation, drying out, which is a major risk for land snails. For snails kept in captivity or farms, adding banana slices to their diet mimics what they might find in tropical forests. Fallen ripe fruit under trees, offering comfort and familiarity that lowers stress levels. Herb 2. The role of vitamins in snail physiology. Each vitamin in bananas serves a unique role in a snail's internal health system. Let's explore their scientific function in more depth. Orange heart vitamin A, retinol. This vitamin enhances snail mucus gland health, the gland that produces slime. Slime is not just for movement, it also protects against bacteria. Aids in self-cleaning. Prevents dehydration. Vitamin A also keeps the snail's tentacles, their eyes, sensitive to light, improving navigation and predator awareness. Yellow heart vitamin B6, pyridoxine, crucial for the metabolic process. Vitamin B6 helps snails convert sugars into usable energy. In breeding snails, it enhances enzyme activity, allowing females to produce eggs with stronger membranes. Green heart vitamin C, ascorbic acid, often underestimated in snail care. Vitamin C strengthens the connective tissue that binds the snail's soft body to its shell interior. Without this support, shells can become detached or malformed. It's also essential during recovery after injury, whether from a cracked shell, handling, or fights with other snails. Purple heart vitamin E, tocopherol. This antioxidant combats oxidative stress caused by high temperatures or polluted environments. It protects snail cells from early decay and is proven, in farm studies, to increase fertility rates by 20 to 30% when present in sufficient amounts. Potted plant 3. Minerals in bananas that support shell and tissue. Even though bananas are not as calcium-rich as other foods, they contain supportive minerals that help the absorption and utilization of calcium in snails.